right, this is part 2 of my characteristics of a rational function video. So if you saw part 1, we already went over the details of how to find the characteristics from a graph. Now, we're going to look at the actual rational function. The graph of a rational function is a hyperbola. So this image right here is called a hyperbola. To find the vertical asymptote is going to be x equals h. So basically what you're doing is looking at the denominator that says x minus h, set it equal to 0 and solve for x to get your value of h. And your domain is going to go from negative infinity to whatever that asymptote is, union asymptote to infinity. Your horizontal asymptote from the function is going to be whatever that last number is. And then, of course, your range is going to go from negative infinity to that number and that number to infinity. All right, let's look at the first example. All right, this function says 2 over x minus 1 plus 6. Now, once again, to find my vertical asymptote, what I'm technically doing is taking this whole denominator, set it equal to 0. Now I'm going to solve for x. So I'm going to have to add 1 to both sides. So x will equal 1. That is going to be my vertical asymptote. Once you get the hang of it, you're going to just simply take the opposite of what you see. So you see how it says x minus 1? Opposite of negative 1 is positive 1. And then your domain is going to be from negative infinity to 1, union 1 to infinity. Now, to get your horizontal asymptote from a function, you're now looking at that last number, which in this case is 6. So my horizontal asymptote is going to be y equals 6. And then my range will go from negative infinity to 6, union 6 to infinity. Let's try one more example. All right, looking at this function, 1 over x plus 4 minus 8. To find my vertical asymptote, I will take my denominator, set it equal to 0 and solve for x. Or, the shortcut way, take the opposite of plus 4, which is negative 4. So my domain is going to go from negative infinity to negative 4, union negative 4 to infinity. To get my horizontal asymptote, I'm just going to look at the last number of that function, which in this case is negative 8. So my horizontal asymptote is y equals negative 8. Therefore, my range will go from negative infinity to negative 8, union negative 8 to infinity. And that's it!